Are you still trying to figure out how to create your own original nail art designs? Well, in this video, I will show you the perfect exercise just for that. Hey friend, I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Celina. I am an international educator and I have been doing nails since 2005. About a month ago, I created a similar video where I used glasses as an inspiration to create my own original nail art designs, and you seem to appreciate that very much. So here's the part 2 of that video. As you probably know, social media is bombarded with nail pictures every single day. Did you know that 95 million pictures are being uploaded to Instagram every day? The thing is though, don't let that scare you. Just make sure that you try and push yourself and try to create your own original nail art, because people want to see more of you. They don't want to see a copy of someone else. So by choosing a couple of different items around us, combining them, and then creating your own original nail art design from that is definitely something that will help you to kind of stand out in the crowd. This video is once again sponsored by the eyewear company Zeelool, and they have sent me once again 6 pairs of glasses, and I'm gonna use them to create my own original nail art designs. And I have to say, this is such a fun exercise even for me, because it makes me kind of push my own limits and forces me to think outside of the box. If you happen to like any of the glasses, you know that you have the links and all down in the description below, and I will also hand you my little special code at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around for that. And with that said, let the practice begin. So here are the 3 sets that we're gonna do in this video. And you have also the glasses that I have been inspired by. Of course, you don't have to use glasses, but it's, you know, it's a convenient thing that your client may have around. Maybe she has some sunglasses or regular glasses, but of course you can also choose maybe her sneakers, or if she has something in her hair like a hairpin or something like that, if she has some detail on her clothes that you can use, and then you just combine all those different things. Of course, jewelry is always a fun thing to get inspired by. And also, of course, if she has like a special bag or something like that. Then choose maybe 1, 2, or 3 different items, put them together, maybe place them on your table if you can, and then try to map out what you would like to do. So take your notebook out and then just draw 5 or 10 fingers, depending if you want to do the same on both hands, and roughly start to draw out what you would like to do. That is also something that would help you keep you focused once you start with your design, which will also of course help you to move faster through the whole set. So that's always a good thing. I more or less, I would say like 90% of the time, 80 maybe, I keep a notebook right next to me with the design I'm planning to do, and just roughly sketch it out. It doesn't have to have the exact details and everything, because that I kind of tend to wing it as I go, but just so I have a rough idea. And then I also write down which colors that I need to base with, so I move past that step very fast, well, as fast as I can. And here, for example, if you look at this nail, I'm adding some flat studs, and I'm gonna show you the glasses right here. It's the exact same studs. Well, it looks exactly the same. So that is also something that you want to keep in mind, to really take a look at the items that you're using up close to see if you can find any like hidden little details for you to use. You're gonna notice as we move on with this video that a lot of the glasses that I have are semi-transparent, so with a tint of color. To create that, you just need to have the color that you want and then mix it together with some clear. It is super easy. You don't have to use those special type of glass gels or whatever is on the market. Of course, those are great because they're pre-mixed, so I'm not dissing those. I mean, if you have them, and if you have them in the right shade and all, feel free to use it. Go right ahead. just don't feel like you're limited because you don't have them. Just pick your color, mix and match, and then add some clear into it. And there you have the first set that we're gonna do in this video, and I am obsessed with the what do you want to call it, like a Tortoise Ombre. So amazing. Once again, I want to give a shout out to Winnie, my dear friend Winnie, for teaching me through her videos how to make the perfect tortoise design. So go check her videos out if you haven't already. So Winnie on YouTube, search tortoise design, you're gonna find her. Moving on to the next set, and as some of you might know, green and pink is actually my all-time favorite color combination. I just adore it. It is so cute, and so of course I love these glasses so much. And here I just custom mixed a green and then mixed it out with some clear. Same thing with the pink. And this sticker thing, it is actually from a friend in Belgium. And here I found this little detail on the glasses, so we are going to try to copy that. It is kind of a random color combination thing to add to this, but I figured, well, it's on the glasses, so I might as well just put it on the nails and see what happens. And I have to say that I just love the outcome of it, so just wait and see what happened. But same thing here, going in with the sticker, cutting off the edges. So same thing as you would do with striping tape or something like that. And these clear glasses, by the way, are, I would say, probably my favorite out of this bunch. You know that I have a thing for clear glasses, and these have some really nice gold details to it, and I just love the shape. That butterfly shape is just really nice, and I think it looks very cute on my face. I hope you like it too. I don't know if you can see that, but actually these green and pink glasses have silver details, but the clear one have gold details. So I just decided to go with gold for the entire set. I mean, you could go with both or just one, but I mean, that's totally up to you. So moving on to our next set right here, and these red glasses, some of you have already seen me wear them. I really like them. Could you please just take an extra peek at the sides right here, the little zigzag wave, and that is something that I also really wanted to incorporate into this set, so we're gonna get to that in just a second. So for this set, the first thing that I knew that I wanted to do was to kind of copy the shape of the square tip, not square, but like the pointy tip of the glasses. So that's what I'm doing with that kind of French look nail. And then for this nail, I am going in and trying to copy the sides of the nail. And I also decided to add that transparent black so that it would look even, you know, a little bit more sexy maybe. So here I'm going in with the black and creating a half shape of the French. And we got some really nice gold details on the red glasses, so I wanted to incorporate that also into the final set. So just adding some studs and gold decorations to pimp it up just a little bit. What was kind of funny when I started to see the finished set, I realized that this would be the perfect set for Harley Quinn. Like, I could totally see her wear this set. So if you need some nail inspo for your Harley Quinn Halloween costume, then go right ahead and copy this as much as you wish. And there is your final set, and yeah, those were all three. I just love to do this, to combine things around you, especially if your client is wearing something that you can combine and get inspired by. And it doesn't have to be copied right off. You can choose colors and just kind of go with the feeling of it and add small details to make it look cohesive, if you know what I mean. But as mentioned, if you really want to evolve your personal style, try to stay away from nail pictures and then choose items around you instead and do something with that. And that's that. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not seen the previous video with the first part, I highly recommend you to go and check that out as well. If you liked any of the glasses, you have all the links and descriptions in the description box down below, together with my discount codes and all that. I would also love to hear which set you like the most, so comment down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!